Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this video, I'm going to install my Ultragauge, which I bought when I had my R53 Mini Cooper S, and the more I've been driving my Accord, my CL9, the more I've thought, what it doesn't have is really a drive computer. It doesn't give me enough diagnostic information. It doesn't let me know exact temperatures. So I thought, let's plug it into the ODB port 2 or the ODB 2 port and yeah, see if it works. So let's do that. So there we go, I've set it up. It's just to the right of my instrument cluster, and I've set it up with miles per hour, RPM, horsepower and average miles per gallon. So just some additional information. You can set this up, you can configure it with 6 different outputs or 8 outputs. It's absolutely up to you. You can have pages rather than just one screen. I like to run it with 4 because it makes the numbers easier to read essentially. So let's see what information we can get just going for a little drive in the CL9. So I'm just going to do a couple of runs on a bit of straight road. I'm not going to do anything silly. Essentially, I just want to see what information this Ultragauge can gather and if it is actually going to be a benefit having it set up in the car. It's very hot today. I'm having to keep the fans on a lower setting because otherwise you're not going to be able to hear me as well. And yeah, that's not massively fun. What is fun, especially if you're a little bit nerdy, is a glimpse into what your engine is producing. And I mean, an Ultragauge, I've done a video on how to install one, so I'm not going to go over that again, but it's relatively simple to set up. It cost me about £100 when I bought it. And yeah, I mean, the information you can gather from it is hugely invaluable a lot of the time, especially in cars that are being modified, because I might not have it set on an intake temperature or, my engine temperature generally, but I probably will set it up with that going forward because, as with the Honda dials, the instrument cluster that I have in this car, it's not really that clear. So yeah, I'm not getting into VTEC, and that's purposely because I've got a police car in front of me. So yeah, I'm not going to slam into VTEC and start accelerating like a crazy loon. That would be foolish. And more police. That's good. That's going to really not help this video with all of the police. Not that I was going to do anything naughty, but still, they don't like you talking to cameras when you're driving, so. Right, here we go. Let's have a little blast. Come on, lights. I mean, she glides. This car is phenomenal. Like I said, I'm not going to get it into VTEC today because I don't want to lose my license, and this road isn't that fast. I'm not allowed to go too fast on this road. But, I mean, that was enjoyable. The car picks up really well. And yeah, it's going to be intriguing looking back at that data. I know I've said it already, but it's going to be quite an enjoyable sort of little jot through what's going on. Got a Z4 next to me. And I blew him away like he was nothing. So that's good. That makes me feel happy. It shouldn't make me feel happy. It's juvenile and silly, but it does make me feel happy. So, woohoo! And I don't want to take this bend too quickly. So there we go. Not that I'm taking a bend. You can only see from how I'm steering. But yeah, I honestly think that if you've got some equipment that can help you develop a knowledge about what's going on in your car a bit more thoroughly, then why not do it? Obviously I don't want these people. Oh, just pull out in front of me because you're a bell end. Yeah, nice one. That's when you fucking dick. oh, I'm going to pull out in front of you. Yeah. Unfortunately, I could just be talking to myself because this dude, I can't show you what he looks like or what he's driving because I only have a camera facing me and a camera facing the Ultragauge. But take my word for it, this guy is a bell end. Oh. I was in third. I should have been in first. I wasn't in first. Oh, because I was getting angry for no reason. Well, no, for some reason, but still, what was the point? So yeah, you know, I've just got stuck in traffic. I've cut all that out because it would have been boring. But then this video isn't about driving spiritedly. It's not about anything like that. It's about if you've got access to a device that can help you learn more about your car and how to essentially benefit your car in your driving, is it worthwhile investigating, and does it work in a Honda? Let's see if I can beat this Audi. Yeah, there we go. As in to move out of its way so I didn't have to slow down too much. That's what I meant. So as I get onto the last leg of just before I get home, yeah, bizarre video. We'll see how much value is in that video. What are you doing? Mug. So yeah, I'm on my way back to where I live. Nice short sweet video about the Ultragauge and if it's worthwhile using, if it's something that as a Honda owner would be beneficial. And I'm going to say yes. Does it work in the Honda? Yes. Should you buy one to learn more about the engine and its capabilities and your driving? Yes. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please subscribe, turn on notifications. You can also find us, as in Ed and I, on Facebook and Instagram under SULKNATIONtv, so go and check that out. And until the next time, I've been me. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that. And I do mean well done as I badly park onto my, I can't actually see where I am in relation to. This is fucking